45,000 euros. Countries and Switzerland with your health insurance labels. Other travel insurance types worth knowing. Trip cancellation insurance. Hey everyone, welcome back to VConnect Germany. New here? Like this video right now. Subscribe and hit the bell button. Share this series with every friend living in Germany. Previous episodes all linked in the description. Episode 1, Health, Liability and Glass Insurance. Episode 2, Dental Insurance. Episode 3, Hausrat and Theft Insurance. Episode 4, Car Insurance. Episode 5, Legal Insurance. And our Vollkasko video is also in the below description. Jonas went on a holiday to Thailand. Serious motorbike accident on day 3. Emergency surgery, ICU, 12 days in the hospital. So the medical bill ended up at 45,000 euros. Jonas had German public health insurance. Public health insurance covers EU countries only. Thailand, not covered. Not €1. He had no travel medical insurance either. His family wired money from Germany. He returned home broke, in debt and still recovering. I'm Visaka. I'm a certified financial advisor and you can always check my credentials. And when you work with VConnect Germany, we are supported by large team of experts. That matters that most when you are far from home in a hospital or dealing with an emergency in another country. Episode 6, Travel Insurance. Everything you must know before you leave Germany for a vacation. Does your German health insurance cover abroad? This is the most dangerous misunderstanding among expats. Public health insurance covers you in Europe and EEA countries and Switzerland with your health insurance card, and countries with bilateral agreements with Germany. It does not cover USA, Canada, Australia, most of Asia, Africa and Latin America. So there is zero coverage. We have covered health insurance in full in episode 1. Link in the description. The rule is simple. Travel outside EU, you need separate travel medical insurance, full stop. We do provide travel health insurance, especially for expats and frequent travelers. Who is it for? Anyone traveling outside Germany, short or long stays, valid for up to 365 days. Covers all destinations except your home country. What does it cover? All emergency inpatient hospital treatment, unlimited amount. Emergency outpatient treatment, emergency dental, pain relief only, medical evacuation and repatriation back to Germany, and a 24/7 multilingual emergency hotline. What it does not cover? Non-emergency or elective treatments, pre-existing conditions, more on this in a moment, and some outpatient costs above standard hospital rates. So what would it cost for me? Just 18 euros per year per person. If you are a family, it costs you around 45 euros and it covers 60 days of travel. And there is no waiting period and it is active immediately. We specialize in finding the best suitable policies for you. Theft while traveling? We covered personal theft insurance in episode 3. And here is the travel insurance that covers travel theft. Travel baggage insurance cover. Stolen luggage from hotel rooms or transport, airline confirmed lost baggage, electronics theft with declared values. It does cover cash and valuables up to a chosen limit. Always file a police report immediately when theft occurs abroad. Keep receipts for all electronic and valuables. Other travel insurance types worth knowing. Trip cancellation insurance. Reiserücktrittsversicherung covers you if you must cancel due to illness, job loss or family emergency. Buy this within 24 to 48 hours of booking your trip. Travel delay insurance, hotel and meal cost from significant delays. Annual travel package depends on the coverage limit you choose. When something goes wrong abroad, VConnect Germany is on the line. And this is where real support makes all the difference. I'm a certified financial advisor and you can verify my credentials. But what matters most to the clients is that VConnect Germany has a team of experts supporting them all the time. That means someone is there to respond, someone is there to coordinate, and someone is there to push your case forward when you need help urgently. Before every trip, we give you the exact emergency numbers and phrases to use. For serious emergencies, We liaise between the hospital and your insurer for direct billing, so you pay nothing upfront. We coordinate with the insurer and arrange medical evacuations when needed. We compile all receipts and reports for your claims on your return. And we make sure your pre-existing conditions are correctly declared before your travel, so your policy is fully valid. After returning broke from Thailand, Jonas came to us. We enrolled him in annual package. 6 months later, skiing injury in Canada, hospital cost 12,000 euros. So we coordinated with the provider and prepared his emergency procedure. Insurer contacted within 2 hours of the accident. Direct billing arranged. Jonas paid 0 upfront. Full reimbursement confirmed within 3 weeks. For less than 2 euros a month, he had worldwide emergency protection. So, Episode 7 is our grand finale and the most powerful episode of this series. What happens to your family if you are no longer here? And how can certain insurance products in Germany actually make you wealthy over time? Life insurance and investment-linked insurance, the episode that would cover your family's future. Subscribe now, like this video, share this entire series. I'm Visakha. Cheers.